before you even plug in that router. Hold up. That tool you're holding? It's not just loud and powerful. It's a high-speed spinning beast that can either create something beautiful or destroy your entire project in seconds. But today, we're unlocking the secrets from beginner mistakes to expert-level hacks that'll help you master the router like a true woodworking ninja. Oh, and we're doing it with no fluff, no boring lectures, and maybe just a few laughs along the way. Welcome back to Tool Mentorship, the spot where tools get honest reviews and DIY gets fun again. If you're here to stop ruining plywood and finally make something your in-laws won't roast you for, hit that subscribe button and let's sharpen those skills together. Tip number 1, go against the spin, but know when to break the rules. Let's talk about direction. No, not life direction. We're talking router bit direction. Rule of thumb, go against the spin. So, when you're routing the outside edge of your board, move counterclockwise. This gives you a cleaner edge and helps you stay in control. It's kind of like dancing. You lead the tool, not the other way around. But, surprise twist, if you're cutting an interior edge like a hole or recess, you flip the direction, go clockwise. Why? Because the physics of the spin works differently on inside edges. Tip number 2, templates are the cheat codes of woodworking. Templates are like having training wheels for your router, but way cooler. If you've ever wanted to replicate a perfect curve, circle, or custom edge, a router template gets you there with zero guesswork. All you need is a template, guide bushing, and some double-sided tape. Boom, instant precision. Pro move. Use 1/4 inch MDF to make your own templates. It's cheap, lightweight, and super easy to shape. Some pros even keep a whole library of templates for different project stables, handles, you name it. And hey, remember that viral TikTok of the guy making 12 identical guitar bodies in a weekend? Template work? Baby. He wasn't a wizard, he just knew his tools. Tip number 3, never go full depth on the first pass. Look, we get it. You're excited. You just bought a shiny new spiral bit and you're ready to take a full plunge into that walnut slab. But please, don't go full send. Routers aren't chainsaws. Trying to take off half an inch in one pass will scorch your wood, dull your bit, and possibly break your soul. Instead, take multiple shallow passes. Start with about 1/8 of an inch and slowly work your way down. Not only is this safer, but your router will run cooler and your cuts will be buttery smooth. Think of it like dating ease into it. Don't go proposing on the first pass. Tip number 4, your router is loud and dusty, so protect yourself. Let's be real, routers are basically screaming jet engines that spit sawdust like confetti. That fine dust? It's terrible for your lungs. That noise can leave your ears ringing for days. So please, wear ear protection and a dust mask. Or better yet, hook up a shop vac or dust extraction system. Bonus, with a vac attached, you'll actually see what you're cutting. Revolutionary, right? Weird fact, some hobbyists actually rig their routers with Bluetooth earbuds so they can listen to podcasts while working. Smart or dangerous? What do you think? Tip number 5, upgrade your base plate. You'll thank us later. Most routers come with small, round base plates. Functional? Sure. But practical? Not always. A larger, clear base plate gives you better balance, especially on edge work or narrow surfaces. Plus, it lets you actually see what's going on under there. You can even DIY your own using acrylic or Lexan. Drill a center hole, screw it in, and suddenly your router feels like it's on rails. It's like swapping out stock tires for performance ones. You don't know what you're missing until you try it. Tip number 6, use the right bits and know when to switch. Not all bits are created equal. Straight bits are good, but spiral bits? Game changer. They cut smoother, reduce tear out, and they're quieter. Yes, they cost more, but they feel like luxury woodworking. And don't forget to sharpen your bits or replace them. A dull bit will burn your wood and your patience. Try labeling your bits with painter's tape to track their sharpness. You'll feel like a pro, and your wood will thank you. Tip number 7, practice on scrap always. Your project piece is sacred. Don't touch it until you've tested your setup on scrap wood. Use it to check depth, direction, and finish. Even pro woodworkers do this because mistakes happen. Ever routed a groove on the wrong side of the board? We have. Let's call it character, shall we? Bonus tip, add a featherboard for cleaner, safer routing. This one's for the safety nerd sand smart people. A featherboard holds your workpiece tight against the fence, giving you more control and reducing kickback. It's like having an extra hand without asking your friend to come over again. You can buy one or make your own with scrap wood and some patience. Extra, router tables are a total game changer. If you've got the space, a router table turns your handheld tool into a precision machine. Edge profiles? Perfect. Dados? Consistent. And let's be honest, it just feels cooler. You can even rig one up with a plunge router and some plywood. There are tons of DIY plans online, and if you want a separate episode on building your own router table, let us know in the comments. There you have it, the best wood router tips to help you build smarter, cut cleaner, and craft like a pro. Whether you're just getting started or looking to fine-tune your skills, these tips are your blueprint for better builds. But we want to hear from you. Which of these tips are you already using? Got a router horror story or a genius hack we missed? Drop it in the comments because tool mentorship isn't just a channel, it's a crew.